Mad Duck Vapors. Vape your thirst. Mad Duck is a manufacturer of premium quality e-liquid that comes from natural ingredients. Our products come in a variety of exotic flavors and blends that tantalize your senses and give you the satisfaction you have been looking for. Our blends establish the perfect flavor formula while delivering excellent vapor product and a full body smoke with a semi-sweet, fruity undertone that will tickle your senses. Mad Duck uses the highest grade ingredients from start to finish to ensure unique identity, potency, purity, and performance. Our expanding premium brands include Dried, Pampa, Quench, and Rotten, and come in a variety of blends and sizes that are expanding regularly. We cater to wholesalers and retailers alike. Log on to our website and explore our range of products today. www.madduckvapors.com